How many other teams will you work out for?
No one else.
This is it.
First, yes.
Does that mean you think you're going number one?
I know I'm going number one.
So there you go. Deandre Ayton working out for the Suns yesterday. They do hold the top pick in the draft. In addition to crowning himself the number one pick, Ayton also announced he won't work out for other teams. He said he planned to watch Game 3 with Devin Booker and Josh Jackson, so the recruiting goes both ways. I don't know. What do y'all think of that confidence?
Hey, go ahead.
No, I mean, I love
Still
it. Be confident coming into this league.
I just hope it works out for him.
Yeah, we all hope it works out for him. But, be confident coming in. He obviously believes in his ability. He probably had some conversation with the Suns that we don't know about because he's very confident that he will go number one. And I also think it's a great pickup for them.
Yeah, I think the local connection, going to Arizona and then playing for the Phoenix Suns, he could be catering to the crowd as well.
He went to high school in Arizona also, right?
More information than I have in my brain.
So I mean, it's not exactly LeBron playing for the Cleveland Cavaliers because there's only one LeBron James, but the idea that you have, look, I was in the arena last night and I thought, like, it is really special when they say from St. Vincent, St. Mary, and people at the Cavs arena are clapping for their local high school team. If they can do that for him, in Phoenix, that's a nice added layer for the Suns to be able to do.
Trust me, we both played back home.
Yeah.
And
It's nothing like it.
Before. It's
Nothing like
it at all.
Right?
So
Do you feel like he must have gotten a guarantee from the Suns to come out that strong? And do you think they're happy with him that he
I don't know. I mean, it's probably understood. I say for me, as a young guy, I'm glad that I didn't play at home.
At the beginning.
In the beginning, for me, playing at the time that I did.
Right.
It's cool. Like, I don't know about for you, but it's nothing like it.
Right.
Nothing like it. And once you're established, and sometimes for some players, it's gonna obviously maybe not for him, but some players playing at home is a lot of pressure.
Sure.
On them.
I mean, Kevin Durant said he didn't want to come back to Washington D.C. for that reason.
But for some other players,
people like it.
like this guy.
But it could be
Pretty good.
Couldn't it be the agent kind of trying to force the Suns' hand too, though? Like, we are
somebody is talking to
Somebody's
him.
talking
for
to
him.
someone.
We don't want him to mess around with Doncic. Like,
Right.
you don't have to worry about that
before.
anymore.
He was saying that.
I do think that him and Devin Booker are going to be fun to watch together.
Yeah.
So I hope that it happens, and I hope for
works.
Devin Booker's sake it happens because he
You
deserves
know how I like Devin Booker.
to have that kind of talent next to him, Josh Jackson, all those guys. So